Hi guys, welcome back to Tech with Nuang. Today I'm going to talk about supervised learning and unsupervised learning, the most important machine learning techniques. Let's start with supervised learning. I'm getting this type of scenario. You are a teacher. Now you are going to teach about fruits to your students. You have a fruit basket. First, you get an apple and say these red balls are apples. Second, you get some bananas and say these long yellows are bananas. And you can introduce one by one fruits to your students like this. You can apply this same learning pattern for machine learning. In the supervised learning, we provide labeled data to computer to understand patterns and make future predictions. We can use this technique to filter spam emails, medical diagnosis, and predicting house prices. Next, what is unsupervised learning? Now you have a basket of fruits, but you don't go to introduce one by one to your students. Now your students are going to understand these fruits like this. These red balls have same pattern. These long yellow things have same pattern. They are trying to understand patterns and categorize these fruits. In the unsupervised learning, we don't provide labeled data to computer. Computer has to understand patterns and categorize them. We can use this technique to recommendation systems and anomaly detections. We provide labeled data to supervised learning, but we don't provide labeled data to unsupervised learning. This is the difference of these two machine learning techniques. In my next video, I'm going to talk about reinforcement learning. Stay tuned with me after subscribing my YouTube channel, following my TikTok, Instagram and Facebook page, and don't forget to like, share and comment your ideas. Bye.